Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to turn on the voice typing on your Android keyboard. So let's get started. So here on Samsung Android phone, I have two options for voice typing. That is gboard, Samsung keyboard. So we're going to discover both of this in this video. I'm currently here on a notes page. The current keyboard that I'm using is gboard. So to turn on the voice typing, which is this microphone button here, access the setting on this gear icon and go into voice typing and make sure it is turned on. Now tapping on it and speak hello. I'm currently using gboard for Android. Tap on it one more time to stop it. What about using the Google voice typing? Then you can tap on this keyboard option here and use Google voice typing. Tap to speak hello. I'm currently using Google voice typing. In Samsung phone, we have another option that is Samsung keyboard. So to activate the Samsung keyboard, tap on this shortcut button, choose Samsung keyboard. Now after you have chosen the Samsung keyboard, you see that the keyboard interface has changed. Tap on this button. This is Samsung voice typing. Now in any cases that you will tap on this button, not showing the keyboard button anymore. So let's say I'm just turning it off. So if you go back and you can see that there is no shortcut here, then what you need to do is go into your phone settings, scroll down and go into general management. Tap on keyboard list and default. Turn on keyboard button on navigation bar. Here the shortcut has appeared. Now here I'm go back to the keyboard, or I can switch to Google voice typing or Samsung keyboard with voice typing. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.